Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting a new series of what I eat in a day, but it's gonna be my easy vegan meals, and I'm gonna call it cooking with no kitchen, because if you haven't noticed, I live in a dorm room with no kitchen. So I'll show you some of the appliances that I'm working with here. Usually I cook everything in one pot. So welcome to episode 1 and enjoy. So welcome to my kitchen, air quotes. So I'm just showing you everything that you'll need: some tomatoes, any kind of beans that you like, corn, and a chili packet. So let's get started. Okay, so the reason I showed the clip of the can was because if you don't have a can opener, you can get the cans with the little, I don't know, I guess it has an opener on it, so you just pull the lid forward and then pull it back. I don't know if that makes any sense, but if you don't have a can opener, those are super handy. And so here I'm using a rice cooker because I do not have an Instant Pot, and it works just fine. So you see me pouring the beans from a strainer. All of the beans that I get, pretty much everything in a can that I get, even if it has spices to it, I always put it in a strainer and rinse everything. And when you do this, you'll see like little bubbles come up, which is like kind of nasty, and that's what also creates those little bubbles in your stomach when you eat beans. So make sure you wash your beans. Okay, so once everything is in my rice cooker, I plug it in, and there's literally 2 settings, warm and cook. So I just push the little lever down and turn on the cook. And so I probably leave it for maybe like 10 minutes and it starts to boil. Once it starts boiling, I add the chili packet and let it sit for a bit, and then we're done. I like to turn the cook setting off and let it just kind of sit and thicken up. That sounds nasty, but when you turn the cook setting off to just warm, the chili gets a bit thicker and makes it super delicious. And then to top it off, I'll put some of it in a bowl, and then while it's still hot, I'll add my vegan cheese on the top, and it melts, and we're done.